Philippines. Here's my Tito Alex. Good morning. Oh, fresh pandesal. It is 5:45 in the morning, and here's my mom. She's like, don't. But yeah, my uncle just bought a lot of pandesal. This is like the sweet bun, Philippine style. So somebody actually was honking at like 5:30 in the morning.
Hello.
And then, oh, it's so fresh. It's very fresh. It's nice and warm and it's soft. Today we have a big event. We have Ninang's birthday party and my cousin's birthday party, Kuya Bong, and we are celebrating that today. And then tomorrow for a whole week, one of the reasons why we actually went home too is because, good morning, Tita. Good morning.
Good morning.
What time is it? 5:30 or 5:45? Oh, so it's only 5:30. That clock was actually advanced. But we have, one of the reasons why we went home as well is because the replica of the Black Nazarene will be here for a whole week, so we're expecting thousands of people. Apparently, we will have about 2,000 people tomorrow. So, good morning, Tito!
Good morning!
Good morning! Here's my Lolo. Good morning, Tay! See? We don't have to kiss him on FaceTime. I can kiss him in person now. Oh, good morning, baby girl!
Good morning!
So I just got some mangoes. Oh my gosh. They smell so good. My mom's on her way to the market and get me more mangoes. We're busy today preparing. Good morning, Lola! Good morning, Nay! Hi, Nanay Mary! Ronalyn's mom, Kaka Lydia, and si, ano po ulit name nyo?
Anong pangalan mo?
Luisa.
Luisa. Hi, Natalie, baby! Pengi ako ice cream. Where's the ice cream? Where's the ice cream? Look, I'll show you. Look. Whoa, look, you can see your face. Yeah. Look, whoa, pretty. So today is February 4th. Hey, where are you going? Here's my other cousin. He's good looking, isn't he? Morris. Where's the birthday boy? Kuya Bong! We're going. Happy birthday. He's wearing red because it's his birthday. Look, Natalie.
Samsa ko na. Dapat.
Okay, we're gonna go check out what they have there. Hi, B. There's Jay. He's finally looking so fresh and clean. Is it raining? Earlier it was sunny and now it's like all gloomy. I'm hoping it's not gonna rain. What do you have there? What's our menu? Whoa! Hi, Tita Nis. This is Tito Ezra's mother. We have chocolate cake, my fave, and puto, and sago and gulaman. We have palamig here with sago, boba, and then there's Jay. We are drinking the Batangueño style, guys.
Wow.
Alfonso, yeah. For the vlog. Alfonso for the vlog. What's your birthday wish?
Secret.
How's your application papers? So this guy might be coming to Canada. Well, he will be coming. Here's Ate Jenny, my cousin. We have
Isa pa may sinama ko to sa diyan.
We have tahong, we have Bicol Express or Rosario Express. And this is, what is that? Sinigang.
Kamiso.
Sabi mo kay Tito ni Mami ay dalawang pang uubusin na ganito bago tayo din.
Princeton. Mamaya tayo.
Alis na naman. Sabi ko lang.
I tricked you. Iinom muna tayo dito, Princeton. Guys, this is the province life. This is the province life. We're just right by the road. Hi! There's motorcycles everywhere. See, so this is the road. And this is the entrance going to the resort, Barcelona Garden Resort. So if you guys are, you know, whenever you're in Batangas, make sure you come visit this resort. Bye, Tito! We are gonna ride the tricycle, guys. Let's go ride the tricycle. Oh, man! So Jay and I can actually fit in this tricycle. Oh my god! Kuya Edwin used to drive me to school when I was in elementary. There's chicken everywhere. I'm so scared. There's so many dogs here. Sana yung wala aso? Hi! May aso! Hi, Sianquita! Hi!
Mahirap pag hindi alam yan.
ISAW, Betamax, and we have tahong mussels. What's this? Holy! Are you... Wow, fundador. Happy birthday to you! Drinking with the Sianquitas. One of my favorite street food. Chicken intestine, guys. That was so much fun. Oh, it's so dark. So anyway, the whole family is here. Apparently my dad's here too. Oh my god. Okay. Am I ready for this? Maybe I am ready for this. Hi! Hi guys! Hi! Hi! She's my pretty cousin! Yes, Ninang? Where's my kiss? Where's my kiss? Where's my kiss, baby? Look at the camera. Yeah, hi. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. Say hi. It's a video.
Alexa, open for more! Tayo Alexa, open for more! Open for more!
Hi.
Wow! Ang dami ah!
Open for more! Open for more!
Payat-payat mo!
Wow.
Oh, what's that?
Wow. What did you get? Oh! Good girl ka ba? Di ba pag good girl, hindi mababawasan yung panty? Di ba pag bad girl, mababawasan yung panty, sabi ni Nina? Crayons!
Mag-school ka na?
Mag-school ka na
You go to school na? Saka mag-school? Oh! You kiss Ninong J. That's from Ninong J.
Open it!
Wow!
Kiss mo daw
You kiss Ninong J. You have to kiss Ninong J. Go!
Yan, namili niyan.
Yan, Ninong J.
Kunin niya yan.
Kiss mo daw si Ninong J muna.
Kukunin niya yung panty mo. My friends are here. My high school friends. Hold on. Ano ginagawa mo dyan, bro? Meet Mayan. The clumsy one. And this is my mare, Roxanne.
Hello po.
Hi, Tay!